So good morning, everybody, to my first fucking vlog. Where's my fiance? Oh, she's in the bathroom. Well, today is the last day of Ratchet Friday. I don't know if I'm going yet because I'm going to work. I gotta work at 9 o'clock. So, let's see how that works out. I'm actually getting dressed for work right now. Put my shirt out.
Jealousy, kill a man, jealousy. Say I never call, say I'm hard to reach, but you haven't called in weeks, baby. Practice what you preach. Fuck 'em all, life is sweet. Got some acid on the beach, on the lines, for the lines in the bathroom. Don't be mine, don't be mine, that's a bad move. Don't be mine, don't be mine, that's a bad move. First tap, face tap, mama had a face that. Took a couple L's, rolled another, had a face that. Come through once, never come again. Wrote you a love letter, I'll never send. Pay you my attention, girl, you know I love to spend. It's just me and you, girl, forget about your friends.
They wanna know the city. Oh look, these are my two boards. I'm gonna review them soon, but here's a quick little glance.
Get the fuck out of here. We're out you either way now. Get it. Bye, everyone. I need those keys. No, I need those keys out there. The keys right here. Listen to what? Well, my wife is in there. Oh, I forgot something very critical. Oh, come on! So there's my little entrance right here. And we got about the beauty. The beauty. Look at that dent though. Today I can see that dent. Oh dear, I don't know why it just caught my attention. But look at that sexy.
I gotta wash it though. If I'm gonna go to Ratchet Friday. So yeah, guys, this is the car that I'll be swapping out this motherfucking winter. God willing, the money's there. Everything goes good. I'll be putting a 3.2 VR6 in here. I have a 12 valve now as we speak. But yeah, I mean, I love this car right here. And let's get to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's warm this baby up. I don't know how to press the clutch to turn this bitch on. And there she is. Fired up right away. She fired up right away, man. But I'll give you guys a little time lapse of me going to work, and I'll see y'all niggas at work because I can't even record at work, which fucking sucks. But let's see what we do. So yeah, let me give you a little preview of my gutted car. I do have the headliner. I have everything that goes in here. I have the back seats. I have everything, but I prefer to just have one available seat for what was riding with the kid. And that, fuck that. Fuck everybody else. The reason why I still haven't put my headliner on is because I have a leak through right here. There's a leak through right here, and I've been super lazy to actually like get the part. I was actually leaking from my sunroof, but I got that fixed. I bought the seal for that. But other than that, I want to swap this bitch. I really do. And I gotta fix my Subaru, which has been parked up at my job for like 3 weeks, give or take. But this Tuesday, I'll have the maintenance. I'll have the money and I have all the parts already. So all I have to do is take it to the shop and get it done. The only reason I didn't do it was because I was going to do a water pump, right? So to get to the water pump, you have to get to your timing belt. So when I got to the timing belt that I was taking out the covers, I had like 5 rusted bolts, right? I tried to remove them, they stripped like completely. I'm not a mechanic, but I tried my best in terms of trying to take the bolt out. I couldn't, so now I have to take it to a mechanic and pay $350 for something that I could have done if those fucking bolts weren't rusted. But that's why they're the mechanic and you're just the regular person. But let's set this camera up to get the ride to work. Then hopefully I'll be able to leave work early and go to Ratchet Friday. Right now, I took the long way actually, because there was traffic on the west side. So now it's time to go. Oh, here's the Subaru. Has a little rush right here, but other than that, and on this side too, on the same side, this one was a little worse, but because I had a little hole, I was poking at it. But I'm gonna be driving this one until that one is done, and it's gonna be my Ace Boon Coon throughout the time. But this should be here for like 3 weeks. 3 weeks? Yeah, 3 weeks. So there's a couple of things that I gotta do to this car actually. Besides the swap that I wanna do. I gotta get a new fucking cylinder. Oh, look at Dave. El Da Vinci. The Da Vinci Code. But yeah, I'm gonna get new wheels also. Yeah, I'm gonna just take my time with this bitch and make her into something. But yeah, see you guys later. Gang, 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 gang. So Ratchet Friday was a no-go because I got out of work too late. But this nigga right here decided to put headers on this bullshit, and yeah. So he decided to put headers on this shit, and he had straight pipe there like a week ago, but he ain't switched the muffler, so he got some. What tips you got? He got some blast pipe tips. So what you put in the car? Unequal like headers, straight pipe, and blast pipe. And this is how this shit sounds. Yo, rev that shit up. I'm letting you guys know that this shit doesn't even probably doesn't justify how broadly this shit sounds. Yo, do it again. And I thought my car was loud. But that's my SF5 right there, the green one. But this shit sounds amazing though. I did not think it was gonna sound like that. But like I said, because I got out of work at 8 o'clock, and by the time I make it over there, it'll be probably, it takes like an hour for us to get over there. So by the time I make it over there, it'll probably be 9 o'clock. Then there's a line, it'll probably be 9:30, 9:45, and there's no point because they close at 10, so we ended up just staying home. And this dude did some awesome piping to his job. Oh, hello, man. Jim. Oh yeah, man. About to go home. Make sure to do today. Just work early tomorrow.